Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Safari the default web browser on your Mac. So Safari is Apple's built-in web browser and deeply integrated with macOS. Many users prefer Safari because it offers excellent battery efficiency, support features like iCloud tabs, iKeychain, Apple Pay, and generally works seamless with other Apple devices. So if you have previously changed your default web browser to Chrome or any other web browser, but now want to get back to Safari as the default browser again, you can easily switch it back. So before you begin, keep in mind that Safari is already included with macOS, so it should already be available in your browsers list. And to make it as a default web browser, open System Settings. Now go to Desktop and Dock, and here scroll and find Widgets, and here click on the drop down menu right to default web browser, and here you will be prompted by the list of web browsers installed on your Mac. If you want to set Safari as the default web browser, then click on it, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.